When you're saying the taxable income is basically the amount you make for the year
Yep.
minus the expenses you made. But if you actually own a house, you talk about the expenses you made on a house, or is it just automatic?
You can't deduct anzi que se eu acho tão caro if you just travail, let's say you hit let's say you're a W-2 wage employee, right? You work for someone else. You can't deduct pretty much if you're not gonna itemize. You can't. It really doesn't serve you anything. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? If you're not
Even
gonna.
if you like, let's say you upgrade your house or something.
Yes, certain expenses. Let's just say if you actually add like panel
Panel
solar.
solar, yeah,
Yeah, so tanto someone who made the panel solar na kayo, that's a credit you could actually qualify for. So that's a
Okay.
credit that is, I believe, it could go up to 7,500.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So sorry, on credit will qualify for leave. But other than that, so someone can W2 wages, if you're not itemizing, concept là un peu mon penser que les OHTK, you know what I'm saying? Like you could deduct the, like the housing, the mortgage
The mortgage,
expense.
yeah.
Yeah, you can't do that. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? Unless you actually like have a business and then you want the business in the space that you live in. You know what I'm saying? You could use this thing called business use of home. You know what I'm saying? So you could actually deduct the space that you operate the businesses, not the whole house. You can't do that. The other way too is if you invest in real estate. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? That's an actual business. You know what I'm saying? Like if you invest in real estate, let's say you buy a building, the building itself worth like $100,000. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, low acheté on Kai, there's land that comes into it. Land is not depreciable, you know what I'm saying? You can't depreciate land. There's no
Yeah.
depreciation for land.
Okay.
But if you buy an investment property for like, let's say $100,000, $50,000 of that is for the land, and then the other 50 is for the building. The building is worth $50,000. So you could deduct the whole 50K, but the thing is you can't deduct it in 1 year. So as a business, as an investor in real estate, you have to deduct it over a life of 39 years. So over 39 years, you get a certain amount of depreciation expense that actually, helps you lower your taxable income.
What are the pros and the cons when it comes to opening a business?
It depends. What are your purpose? You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people out there, giving people information. They should open a business and go get the business funding and things like that, and then you can use the money. But the thing is, right, a lot of people don't know is, yeah, you're going to go get this money from the banks and your business is not making money. Eventually, the bank is going to come knocking and they're going to want the money back. It depends on your purpose. So I would say that if you're passionate about something, if you actually have a purpose and then you want to actually explore opening a business, go ahead. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared. You know what I'm saying? Start the business. It could go your business. Obviously, when you're in business, you're in business of making money. So you're not in business of losing money. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? So you want to start a business, eventually, like, 1, 2, 3 years down the line, you can be profitable, or, 1, 2, 3 years down the line, you can sell it for more than you actually spent to actually open the business. I would advise anyone to rather like it could be online businesses. One thing about online business, you don't keep anything inventory. You don't
Yeah,
have
yeah.
to, you know what I'm
You don't
saying?
need a storage or
You don't, yeah, you don't need a
something.
storage. You know what I'm saying? One other thing too is I want to shout out to my boy Ermi because that's my boy right there. Anybody want to get into the online business and everything? I know he has a good course. Myself, I actually invest into that. You know what I'm saying? So
Okay.